Have you ever opened Spotify and it's instantly played exactly the song you wanted to hear without you even searching for it? It feels like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's data. Today, I'll show you how Spotify predicts your favorite songs and how artificial intelligence learns your music taste better than your best friend. Let's start with the basics. Every time you play a song, skip a track, like a playlist, or even adjust the volume, Spotify is watching. Not in a creepy way, but in a we want to improve your experience kind of way. They collect data about what you listen to, when you listen, how often you repeat a song, and even what device you are using. If you skip a song after 10 seconds, that's a signal. If you replay one 5 times in a row, that's another strong signal. So before recommending anything, Spotify already has a digital version of your musical personality. Now, here's where the real magic, or better, machine learning, begins. Spotify uses something called collaborative filtering. Imagine millions of listeners who have similar music tastes to you. If people who like the same songs as you also enjoy a new artist, Spotify assumes you might like them too. It's like your own invisible group of musical twins helping Spotify guess your next favorite song. This system was inspired by how Netflix recommends movies, only here it's about rhythm, beats, and mood. But that's not all. Spotify doesn't just compare your playlists, it actually analyzes the music itself. Every track in Spotify's library, all 100 millions of them, has been processed by AI models that break it down into features like tempo, energy, danceability, and even emotional tone. So when you love a song with a soft piano intro and a slow build up, Spotify notices. And the next time it recommends something similar. It's because the algorithm found a match between the new song's sound fingerprint and your past favorites. And finally, there's the part that most people don't realize. Spotify reads words too. Through something called natural language processing, it scans song lyrics, blog posts, and online reviews to understand how people describe music. If thousands of fans online call a song chill and nostalgic, Spotify tags it that way. Then, if you often play songs labeled chill and nostalgic, guess what? You are getting more of them. It's a mix of numbers, sounds, and language, all working together to predict what you'll love next. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes Spotify recommends a song that just doesn't click. But here's the fun part. Every time you skip that track, it learns again. It's like training a pet. The more feedback it gets, the better it behaves. That's why your Discover Weekly playlist keeps evolving over time. The longer you use Spotify, the better it gets at being your personal DJ. So next time Spotify hits you with a perfect track, remember, it's not luck. It's data science, algorithms, and a little bit of psychology all mixed into your music feed. If you like this simple tech explainer, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos where we break down how technology shapes our everyday life. And tell me in the comments, what's the last song Spotify recommended that surprised you?